Here it is, last time in the stock configuration. The next time you guys see it, it's gonna be slightly different. Some of you guys might think we're crazy for messing with an iconic car like this, but I think we're just making it better. You guys tell us what you think. Here they are. Here's the struts for it, all 6. Good looking pieces. All right, so we ran into a small issue. Basically, strut fits like that, but doesn't fit flat because Ferrari made a beautiful weld there and it doesn't sit flat. So I'm gonna machine that and make that so it can fit flush up in that pocket. All right, the top hat is chucked up in the mill. I'm gonna take some off this. I'll show you guys a little time lapse, and we'll have a couple rear top hats in a few minutes here. There it is, fresh off the mill. Took a little off the top, cleaned it up with a file, put it back together, and that'll work. There it is, machined. Now it sits perfectly flat. No movement, nice and tight. Here we have the front bag. Everything's installed, airlines ran. Good clearance on everything. Let's see what we got. So here she is, guys. Phase 1 is complete. The airbags are fully installed. We got it touching the ground. So stay tuned and we'll show you more updates as they come.